Let's go. That's right. Crypto is full effect. It is in full effect. Do you hear what I'm saying? We're going to talk about today on the Generational Investors podcast, crypto. I'm talking XRP, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you stay to the end, I got this bonus crypto that I've been holding really for the last 2 to 3 years. And so if you are a fan of crypto, smash a thumbs up, hit the like, hit the subscribe, because today I wanted to talk with you about what's been going on in the wonderful world of crypto. And stay tuned to the end for the strategies, the motivation to keep on keeping on in this marathon we call financial freedom. Okay, so the first thing first, Ethereum is cooking. I'm talking about it is cooking. I'm talking to the moon. We're going to the moon. In the wonderful world, Ethereum is inches closer to its peak of 4865. In 2021, in the last bull run, Ethereum was at this price. And now, as the time of this recording, we are heading to the next level. We're going past 4,800. I mean, it's been cooking for the last about week or two. And the reason why it's been cooking, because the institutional capital and the South inflation. All right. With this inflation, they're looking for interest rates to cut, which is good for crypto. That's right. So they already pricing this in. They predicting this going into the September meeting, FOC meeting. That's going to be a 50-50 basis points cut. All right. So stay tuned for that. And the question I want to ask you, are we heading to 10K? Because analysts are saying we're looking to end the year out in 10K, if not going to 15K for one Ethereum. That's right, one. So short term, they say 7,500, give or take. And by the end of this year, possibly 10K, going into 2026, 15K, and going into 2028, they say it could be at 25K. That's right, one. That's all you need. It's one Ethereum. So this is definitely good news for Ethereum and all Ethereum holders like myself. So I am continue to hold because this got the room to go. That's right. Take us where we need to be. And moving on to XRP. Shout out to XRP, because XRP institutional adoption is growing, and it's growing. And it's growing because it's powered by the new use cases such as asset tokenization. Okay. And not to mention, we continue to wait on this approval for the XRP ETF. That's right. We got so many. I've said in previous episodes, we have so many on the list. All we got to do is get that green light. I say, could be in September, could be in October, and it could be sooner. But either way, it's on the horizon. It's so close. I'm talking about 90% approval. Okay, 90% approval. And so we're just waiting for them to stop playing around and finally give us holders what we've been waiting for so long. Because once this happened, I believe that we got the floodgates of prices, so much upside. Short term, heading to $4. But by the end of this year, we could be at the $8 mark. We could be at that $10 mark, if not even higher, because you have so much capital and so many different bankings that's backing this particular crypto. So XRP, definitely the time to get in is definitely now for those who still wait on the sideline. And then we want to move on to Bitcoin. Yes, the gold standard itself, Bitcoin tops 122K and moving as we speak 123, because it's eyes the fresh record. It's like every day or every other day is like hitting fresh records. It's hitting all-time highs. In the short term, they said by the end of this year, we could be at 150K. That's right, could be 150K, if not more, because You already have the Genius bill. You already have the bill that Trump signed for retirees and those who have retirement, the 401ks, and those who are real estate. You can get access to crypto, and you want to have some Bitcoin. You definitely want to have a piece of Bitcoin. You want to have Ethereum, and you definitely have XRP. And if you stay to this part, you definitely want to have Solana. Solana is starting to wake up. It's starting to wake up because this one right here has its own set of projects that it's pushing out, and the developers are consistently having upgrades and updates on this particular crypto. So I've been holding this for the last 2 to 3 years and continue, because by the end of this year, it can be sitting at 500 to 700, if not 1,000. Okay, this has huge upside. And for the price action, speaking of upside, Bitcoin is sitting at 123,000 and counting. With the upside, with the soft inflation, soft data, Bitcoin got the room. It has the room. All right. Moving to Ethereum, sitting at 47, 46 at the time of recording. We are already heading towards 5K. It's not going to take too long to get to 5K. We can be at 5K by this weekend at the time of recording, if not sooner, because this thing been cooking. I'm talking about cooking for the last week or two. Institutional money, ETFs, all these different data that's been just giving it more and more juice, more and more gas to just go where? To the moon. And we're going with it, and hope you're going with it as well. Moving on to XRP. That's right. XRP is sitting at $3.27. And it is slowly kind of consolidating for us to buy. Definitely looking for us to buy, because this one right here, it already shown that what it can do and where it can go and where it will go. So definitely XRP should be in everybody's portfolio. All right. It's not financial advice, but this is financial education. So remember to do your due diligence and research. And Solana is sitting at $200 and counting. We are way from, not even that far off from 230 and 240. This can be 250 within another week. And I want to leave you with strategies, because we all need strategies. Continue to dollar cost average, DCA, whatever price you like, continue to add. Okay, continue to add. So like I said, I'll say it again, make sure you're not gambling, putting in loans, taking out loans, taking out mortgage money, bill money, phone money, insurance money, grocery money. All right, do what's best for you. So you got $10, $20, $50, $100, maybe $500, $1,000 for some. You stick to your plan and your strategy, and continue to study. All right, continue to study your charts, continue to study these cryptos and these projects. Okay, if you really have strong conviction, you believe in what they can do, definitely continue to study, and you will win in the end. And be patient. Patient pays. Patient pays. At the end of the day, if you're looking to get rich overnight, this is not the game for you. But if you're looking to get rich over time and build up wealth, aka generational wealth, financial freedom, smash the thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, okay? Because this crypto can change your life if you get in the right cryptos, and if you continue to stick to the script and stick to your strategy, okay? Not the crypto gurus, not what the news. Stick to what you've been doing, and you will win in the end. And continue to be patient, because nothing happens overnight. It happens over time. Play the long game and you will win. So if you have enjoyed this episode, smash the thumbs up, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I keep you up to date on the latest news in crypto. See ya.